Ngày hôm qua tao bị một cái vấn đề là cái mình nói bị ý là tao không có hiểu được cái hint mày đưa ra,
Không hiểu cái gì.
cái hint của mày đưa ra.
Then you die.
Yeah.
You die. Sao nhờ cái này sẽ được. Ok. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, sure.
Okay, I'm recording. Okay. Uh, all right. Today we got a problem for you. Um, okay. Given an integer array with length n and an integer k. So
Uh,
you need to return the shortest non-empty subarray, a continuous subarray, that the sum is at least k.
hmm.
Okay. If there's no subarray, you return the length, and if there's no subarray, you just return -1.
Hmm. So I think that question is this scenario is your question. I mean uh, cái gì đó phải là cái tao nói chứ không phải là mình nói. Ừ.
What you say? What the fuck you say?
Okay, so keep going. Um, we have integers array with the length n and an integer k.
Yeah.
So we should find a shortcut non-empty separation at length k at this k, and if uh, we have no separate, we can return -1.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm, I think it can be done by using geometry. Um, the first, I would like to say the first approach I can come up with is using two loops. The first loop is I, and the loop is J. Like uh, we iterate every position I, and we have the suppose of the combination I and J, and we check if the sum from the I to J less than larger, larger or equal to the K. So we can get the answers with the mean of J minus I plus one and answers. So in this approach, we have uh, uh, O n square, O n square in complexity because need to find all the combinations of the ing and get the sum, and we get the sum in the range from I to J, and assure that it's at least K. So we have O n time simplicity, O n time and O1 space. Uh, I think we can do better because I would like to say approach to like um, I say if we have like if the I'm chain is satisfy the condition like from some to from I to chain rather than K already, so we don't need to increase chain. We don't need to increase the chain because the sum from the chain in the range from the I to chain is larger than K. So we we don't need to increase the j by 1 unit. Oh, that's I think it's a wrong assumption because the integer maybe uh let me see the integer the integer is positive or negative.
Actually, I will give you positive, but the follow-ups is negative. So keep going.
You mean it's whatever?
This is as beginning I will give you positive, but then I will give you negative.
Oh, okay. I see. Oh, okay, okay. So we don't need to increase the j anymore because if we increase, um, because the sum of the segment is already rather than to k, so we don't need to increase j. I mean, moving the j by 1 unit. So we just find the values j uh, that rather than the smaller j that some ij rather than k and a bit. So we extend to we like to say form and time. Um, if we spring the segment into the underscore and chain, so we should find another change rather than change uh another one say the J2 where the J is less than J2 and the sum is larger than K where J2 is larger than K. So by applying this property we can use in temperatures to find the 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 current change. So yeah, it costs us about OM time second and O1 space in Palestine.
Mm, okay.
Do you think it's harder for you to catch up with me?
I think your solution is great. But as I said before, I want to solve the problem with negative number. So
Mm.
after that, you can implement. But now let's think about it. But
You say I will mm,
um,
I will solve the negative one in the approach tree.
yeah, so negative
Mm.
one, then implement it.
Yeah. So I would like to use some technique like so every like we fix a is also from to the current I. So the refix of I uh the sum you can get it from one for the I to J by using the refix of J minus refix of I minus one. Uh, and we should make sure that is larger than K.
Hmm.
Mm. I'm thinking about if we can shorten
shorter. Okay. So what's next?
If I short it, so we can short in increasing oil, and but the oil is changed. So I think we can if we aim short by the reflex, and uh, I would like to a new right where is the reflex uh, I and I. How the index is value, so we can shop the new array here. Shop by increasing order, and I would like to use for every um for every prefix I, so because we need to find the value like the prefix J and the J before. It's gonna be and so we have two values ing here, and j is less than I. So that's basically we have the refix of the j is less than 50% I. So if I want if, if I want uh, this value is larger than k, some value from ij larger than k. So mm, mm, no. It's not good. I think we have assume we have E1 array of I1 it's gonna be here, and array of I2 is gonna be fixed here. So uh, obviously if I2 larger than I1, so the refix of the larger than the refix of the I. Oh, sorry, the refix of I larger than the refix of I. Okay, because we are shocked the array of shock the array by ascending order. Mm. So every verb I'm changing here, so I think it's not every. We should find the we should find mm, the refix uh what's that again? Mm, we want it's a balance term. So we should find the refix of scan rather than refix of and also choice. So you should find the smaller change, the smaller.
Okay. Okay.
Mm. The readers I want is gonna be like for example I am a current at I2 and I want to find the I1 that prefix of I1 I mean array of I1 uh, the prefix there should be less than the prefix of the array I2 the prefix minus the k. Mm. And the I ones apparently is it should be less than the current I2. Mm. So and I want to the array of I want dot index be small as possible. Mm. Oh, next, 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 actually, no, let me see. Oh, I think what's another one? We have we can use the two butchers here because um, if so so um, để biết nói bây giờ có ý tưởng mà để biết nói sao rồi.
Try it.
Yeah, I will try. If we have the current like I would like to uh, 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 for example, this is an index like this, and if we have an I here, let me see the iterators, and I execute from the beginning to the end, uh, and if the value from the array of I minus the array of j learn a, so that's obviously like any 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 t less than j is the array I plus array j. Array j is larger than k2 because the uh, started uh, as a right. So would like to put on the available on the index, put on the index of array t to a sorted container. Mm, and I would like to for every time that for every I would like to find large in the sorted container. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I have uh, a chain here, and because the array is yeah, it was sorted. So if the array of I minus the array chain larger than chain, so it's already like any index less than chain, previous chain is larger than. We also have larger than chain. For example, T less than G, so the array, mm, array I minus array T larger than K as well. So we should put on the index of 1 to 3 into the sorted polynomial.
Okay.
I mean, maybe like a hash set, a tree set, or something like that. And we can find the I that we should find the index that not exceed the I, then exceed the I, but having the like one. For example, we have I gonna be 6, and the set is gonna be uh 3 to 7, 10. So we should return the 3 because we should find the index that have the uh, the maximum index that have less value than the current I. So we can adapt the answer with the difference 6 and minus in answers. Mm, mm. So overall, the the approach is ZSON log n time velocity because we need to store shorted containers and we need to shop on the array um, every time we read and write from the shorted element or log n velocity. We iterate from the beginning to the end, the whole array, which means n times log n. And we got the all pick all of and as the university because we need the shortage technology and uh, shortage technology here and mm, missing one. Let's pay the visitor in here because we using extra the shortage technology and a new array here. So actually, this should be time lock square on screen because actually mm, no, and and we don't need to like start on the socket for the air. We just working on the tree. Mm.
I got your idea. I think it's correct, but mm, a little bit complicated here.
Yeah, no, I think we have an approach there.
Oh, what's that?
I just realized that when I conducting this, I realize that we should use the edit tool here because uh, if the chain is a sum from the chain, uh, I would like to have a new line. If we have chain from I and some data sum from the chain to I is a line count. If we extend the sum chain to sum to I, we should take care about if they learn cannot. If it is so, mm, we could get the answer, the final answer. And otherwise, um, any value like anything.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, mm.
Right. Right.
I just belong, continue with the idea like politics. Yeah. So here, here in that sense, the politics is it's gonna be like this, and we have a lot of value here. Uh, it's how to explain. Mm. So it's gonna be like politics, like I pick up the train is one, so we can the chain, and we move the chain to the right. Mm. And we should what's the current fix à, để xem là có người có có đồng nghiệp nha xin em có incident xin không có incident nữa mà đang làm đợi 1 phút.
All right. All right. Take your time. Ăn xong chưa?
Yeah, and back. Okay, so we uh, oh, I see. If the oh, if the refix arm is lower than the refix I mentioned, I'm about it, right? Refix of the I one rather than the refix of the I. So because if we get the refix
What the
if we get the refix, manage the refix of the next one is good. It's gonna be zero, less than zero. SMK is a positive number as well.
okay. So what?
Eh, I mean, the K here is a positive number as well.
Right. Right. Right.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, yeah, it's definitely if we have a prefix I minus one rather than prefix I, so uh, we don't have to keep it wrong
Hmm.
because if we keep it, this always be less than zero and always be less than 10. We can not on the middle index say it's an index is 1K that like say less than K more than 8I, so we can pop out on the those K where the previous K rather than the current the prefix I, so we can put out it uh, the right side and right side and and the left side we can uh, out any pop out any cherry that having error that came, and we try to increase the increase moving the tray to the right to spring the segment to shorten the segment. Yeah. So I think if we have like spring all the head and the tail, I mean the head and the tail, so we can use the to nothing. Do you think it's nothing to you? I think it's time was gonna be ON
Mhm.
because every time we push to the DQ1 up out DQ1 and we integrate to the we need a one batch from the we need to end. We're gonna be like 3 and phenotypes as the ON. This place gonna be ON as well.
So, okay, I think you could. Can you like explain the main point of this one, like what you're trying to do?
Mm. I try to um I iterate uh, the
The shortest one, or
no I don't try the one. I just give the order.
okay, the original prefix, right?
Yes. And because we have refix I minus the refix I mean why we are using to the queue. So we are updating to the head about the tail about the queue. So we should using indicators instead of the skill only other coordinates. Uh,
And the
I'm
Q.
I explain I'm explaining about why we should use indicators instead of other like like because if we update the left hand, yeah, so like this because if the refix I minus the refix minus one like okay, so we should spring the left by moving the chain by 1 minute,
Moving
moving the chain to the right,
from the left.
right.
Okay. The trade. Okay. So
Yeah,
okay.
that's why we should pop out the left out the BQ and while we should update the tail, the tail, and this is the head. The tail is if the refix can, I mean the refix I uh no, the refix I minus one. That means if it's always less than k as well. So we should stop all them out the
Out.
queue.
Mm. Oh,
Is
why?
true.
Why I minus I minus one? Uh,
Yeah.
that's mean the with I minus one is exactly the nums I. Is that matter?
Uh, you think like I mean fixed I is less than the fixed I minus one,
It's go down.
right?
It's okay. It's go down. Okay. Then what?
It's slow down.
It's go down.
And the sum of the I and minus one is gonna be like this less than zero.
Yeah.
And because k is a number positive,
Okay.
so the I minus one is not useful. So we should drop out on the previous I on the previous I out of the queue.
But is but why you pop out that element like the sum still larger than zero? Maybe you pop out one element.
So I just thought out the right, the tail. I mean the tail. The tail of the queue.
The tail, the
The
Q.
tail of the queue.
This is the tail. Not the eye, the same eye with the previous one.
Yes.
Different
We
between
have a head of the tail, the queue.
the
So we should shrink the queue by increase say 1 unit. That's true because we want to buy the shorted one, the shorted
yeah,
segment. So we should increase it because the current one is um, 35 condition. So we should shrink the queue by increase the trade by 1 unit to the right and to head the queue
mm.
and the second we found position on the
I got your idea here. So
base.
but like your just use the index is some ambiguous here. Actually, the prefix I here is the current element, right? And the prefix I minus one here is on the queue, the tab of the queue. That's true.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's true.
you just use I tell that's misunderstand, but understood about that.
And
It's not
I don't know how we can using the term small concise
you
in the
use
correct way.
you must use another index, not I minus one. I minus one is the previous one of I.
Mm.
Okay. I think I got your idea here, but try to explain better. But now you can implement it. I got the idea. Okay. I think it's
Mm.
correct.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
The idea is great, but now I want to see the implementation.
Uh, we have the solution like we have an name as the input. And we have a K as the lower bound addition. So we have we fix initially at a zero, and we go through the first one, uh, the fixing was that's none, and let me see, we should have a default here, and this obviously is empty. It's true. Yeah, no, it should be a zero here because we should put the first zero here, and we have it like in the middle, and basically we should like dedicate we are starting the index the array of the refix array. Instead of using the whole refix array, I just use a single accumulator. So let me see. So why the decay not empty and the decay of this the first one mm, the decay of the I would like to put to the birth here. So the first one is index. Sorry, is the yes, index and the same unit system, it is system of the index. So we have like a system minus the left one rather than k. So we should the system this system sorry um, the answer is between the mean of the answer and the current one and not as if minus the bit of the zero. Let me
Great.
see. The minus one, the minus one, and it's gonna be and minus two, and we pop out the BQ. After that, we should remove on the the value, the values, the value having higher than the current position, and the depth of the zero one higher than for the person. So we can select. So the deck pen pen bright as the current one and response and this the base some the current system. Yeah, we can return no answer. And obviously the answer is gonna be like uh, a very large numbers.
Okay.
Wait, we should find return an answer if the answers um uh plot different which plot like else we return minus one. Okay.
Mm, great. Just run some test case. Okay,
Yeah.
I gonna give you a test case, so you gonna run it. Okay.
Mm.
Wait a minute. Just a minute. Thank God. Okay. Six. No, nine. 6 9. 12. Two. Not two seven. Okay. Okay. I think it's okay. Uh, um, 13.
The person is six minus the zero. Less than so we down to that block and we continue with it. Mm. the second block is not satisfied, so you can steal this and you append with the dedicated with the one or six. So you can I gonna be uh I'm gonna be one and I'm gonna be nine. The repeating gonna be 15 uh and you can well if they are 15, so the first block is quicker. The answer is gonna be the answer is zero and sorry, it's the infinity. And that with the current one, the I is gonna be one minus the zero. And not the zero. I forgot to plus one here. Mm. It should be one here, and it's gonna be two. And we pop the zero zero out. After that, we continue with the uh, we continue with uh, hmm, the nine is lower than the six is lower than nine, and we can keep it the column three and the column the system is 15. We continue with I one of two and well and change forward and we can respond with the straight the 7 is lower than 10. So yeah, obviously we should update the term S1 like um you term is to yeah, -1 S1 is also to so we don't update it first. We put down the one and the reverse moves 27 and we continue pushing the new one to which gonna be 3 and for the 7. We do the next one is gonna be 2 and then it's gonna be 2 and the reverse only 29 uh, and all of the 29 minus 15 is greater than 13. So we pop it down and that with that with first one is 3 minus 2 plus 1 is gonna be 2. Excellent. So those are the answers. We have sorry, we pop it down and yeah, and um we ignore the current block and we can attend the new one is 4 and 29. We go to the it's goes to 4. The term is relevant and it's gonna be 36. I don't 36 and oh, uh and the still becomes plus the minus just 7 is yeah, it's like I so it's less than k so we don't put it out and we should um if the Gemini is less than the position so we don't put it we append again to 6 is gonna be 5 and to 6. So yeah, so the answer is one of the three.
Hmm. So the answer is two. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's good, but let's try with another example where I got a negative number. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm, uh, so for okay, the array is uh, what? Wait, okay, the new array is uh, two.
What the fuck?
Wait a minute.
Sorry, sorry.
So man,
Hmm. Oh.
but I think your solution is correct.
Hmm.
So just one test case is okay. But
Oh.
where the fuck? Okay, just run with this one. Uh, two minus one, two and one. The final test case I gonna give you, and the
Um,
case is
you can
three.
review again.
Two minus one,
Hmm.
two and one, and the case is three. Okay, that is the test case I want to test.
So the output gonna be um, hmm,
Three, I guess. Three.
three. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey bro, đừng có cái vấn đề với công ty việc đổ số được chứ.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, let me see. Nó bật lên sự cái này. Nào cái đẹp nãy mình thấy cái nó có sao không?